Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. Hey buddy. There's his favorite spot underneath the bed. Getting all his dirt and stink. Ain't that right, buddy? Yeah, you're fine. Oh, he does like sleeping under that bed though. Hey, it's a nice day out here today. Got some kids playing down there. Not much else going on. We do have to get this fixed though. The screen keeps falling apart, which is okay. We can just shut this so the bugs don't get in at night, but I like having the window open because it's a nice breeze. Don't really have any plans for today, just gonna relax and chill out. Weather permitting, we will be going out later, find something to do. But I thought I would show you where my buddy there likes to hang out most of the time. What a weirdo. Talk to you later. Alright guys, now it's still Sunday, early afternoon. They finally got this portion of the streets fixed up. A while ago I showed you they had a bunch of statues. There was a lot of construction going on. I didn't know what they were going to do with those replica statues of the Angkor Wat Bayon temples. But here they are. Got a nice little boardwalk thing going on. The replica temples right up here. Yeah. Yeah. Nice job. Over here they have that. Planted some flowers, another replica temple right here. Pretty nice, I think. Pretty nice place you can sit down. Little bench. Yeah. Pretty nice. Got people down here fishing. That's nice trees. Gives that real jungle feel to it. Yeah, I like it. They did a really nice job fixing this up. Thought I'd show that to you real quick. Good job. Everybody say hello.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
No, just one. What's your name?
My name is David.
David, just like me. What's your name? What's your name?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
My name is Matoy.
Ah, you do know. What's your name?
My name is Normally Channels.
My name is David. What's your name?
My name is Monica.
Monica, that's right. Very good. You are on YouTube. Say hello. Look at them. They are nice. They are artists. All of them drawing dinosaurs.
Yes.
Dinosaurs. Look at Malika. She got hers colored in. Yes. You guys are doing a good job. We have some more pictures up here. Yes, as you can tell, like most children, I think they really love dinosaurs and monkeys. Monkeys too. These are all from my classes, of course. Very good. High five. Yeah. Some lessons for today. Another one? All right. All right. All right. All right. Anyway, class is almost done for today. Today is Monday. Thought I'd share with you guys a little bit. Okay, we're almost done. We're almost done. Just a minute. So, I will talk to you guys later. Okay, everybody, you're on YouTube. Say hi. Let me introduce you to my wonderful afternoon class. What's your name?
My name is Malay.
Yes, it is. What's your name?
My name is Nika.
Nika. And they're drawing, of course. What's your name?
My name is Chada.
Chada. They're drawing Halloween pictures. It is October, so we're going to Halloween-related things. What's your name, dude?
My name is Paidratana.
What?
My name is Paidratana.
What?
My name is Paidratana.
What?
My name is Paidratana.
Oh, okay, okay. I think I knew that. What's
Hello.
your
My name is Sanjan Manapong.
name? I bet you can't tell in this class which two are the rowdiest. I bet you can't tell. Anyway, this is my afternoon class. It's almost done with the time I have with them, and I didn't want to show you my morning class without showing you my afternoon class also. So everybody say goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye, YouTube. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, guys, now that that's done with my afternoon class, there's the school right over there, and fortunately, right across the street is this nice little restaurant. I like it. It's got a good atmosphere. They have different Khmer paintings on the wall, as you can see. No Sing Lai. She walked up here because I still got 2 hours until my nightly adult class, and I just don't feel like walking home for that length of time, and walking back it would just be too much. But yeah, nice little restaurant right across the street. Good, cheap food. I like it. I just thought I'd give you guys a little look at how my days off and my days at school usually go. Is an everyday thing, and that's what it is. We have something special for you next weekend. Me and my buddy halfway around the world. We're gonna do a little something that will affect both of our channels. I'll tell you more about that when we iron out the details, but it should be pretty cool. Yeah. Alright guys, this is Wednesday already. I figured, you know, I got to get out sometime and finish this vlog. I made a few clips showing you a day off, typical day like in classroom, nice place to eat. And then I just kind of didn't have time to get out and do anything substantial to finish it, so I'm doing that now. Just got out of my morning class. All week long I've been having the parent-teacher conferences. I've been meeting with the parents of some of my students every day. So this it takes about a half hour after each class. Been doing it in the morning and afternoon, so I don't really have as much time to go home as I used to for this week, but that's all right. Those have been going well. I like their feedback. The good thing is that for the most part I have some really smart, capable children. Some of them can be a handful attitude-wise, of course, but you kind of expect that when you get a teaching job. If you don't, you should. There's always going to be that one. But you know, we are working on that. Slowly but surely, they are getting over their temper tantrums, doing the work. I remember there were a couple of kids that were just refused to listen to me when I first started. They, like I said in one of my last videos, you know, they will push you to see how far you will let them get. And when they find out, you know, it's not going to be that far, then it's a battle of the wills for a couple weeks. And you just have to let them know that your will is stronger. But those same kids are now listening to me. They might still get an attitude about it sometimes, but they listen. I can say, now I told you to sit down and be quiet. They give me that look, that stare, but they do it. So progress is always made. But even those ones are not bad or problem kids. I don't have any bad or problem kids. I have kids with emotions, kids that are going to have good days, kids that are going to have bad days, and kids who are not yet old enough to know when to put away those feelings. They wear their hearts on their sleeves, you know. So it's all part of what I have to deal with, and I'm fine with that. But overall, I have nothing horrible to say about any of the kids. I tell them this every day: you are all smart, you are all capable. If you focus and pay attention, you will be able to do anything you want with your life. And it starts right here. And so far, the parents have given me great feedback and compliments. They've all thanked me, which I find weird, because I'm like, you know, I chose to do this. So it feels good to have somebody go, oh, thank you for doing this. Thank you for coming to Cambodia teaching children. That always feels good. Anyway, this is the way I normally walk home. I started this video right by the school. Just about a 30-second walk away when I first started it. Like I said, it takes me about 20 minutes usually one way. But I'm walking a tad faster than I normally would today for two reasons. Number one, as I said, those conferences are taking an extra half hour of my time, and I want to get home and eat. And two, it just looks like it's going to storm, and I do not have my umbrella, so I want to be sure I get home to avoid that. This is probably going to be a short video. Most of them during the week from now on will probably be short because, you know, my work schedule. But still have the weekend to do a proper one. Anyway, I think we're going to end this one here. Ooh, the sun just came out. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna pour rain on me or if I'm gonna get burned to death. I'm kind of having two different things happening at the same time. I hope neither one, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll end this one here so I can get it uploaded. Sorry the camera's so shaky. Like I said, I'm walking fast trying to make up for some time. But I'll talk to you guys in the next one.